Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to the charming town of Pincher Creek, Alberta, a place where history and natural beauty come together. Nestled in the southwestern part of the province, Pincher Creek is surrounded by stunning landscapes, including the majestic Rocky Mountains and the rolling foothills of the Porcupine Hills. This picturesque setting makes it a haven for outdoor enthusiasts who enjoy hiking, fishing, and exploring the great outdoors. The town was named after the nearby creek, which was in turn named by the Northwest Mounted Police in 1874. Legend has it that one of the officers lost his pincers, a tool used for cutting wire, in the creek, hence the name Pincher Creek.
Thank you very much.
This small but significant detail in history adds a unique charm to the town's identity. Today, Pincher Creek is a vibrant community that offers a peaceful lifestyle while still being close to larger urban centers. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Pincher Creek is a place where you can experience the best of Alberta's natural beauty and small town charm. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Pincher Creek, Alberta. Thanks for watching!